learning this song, you can learn the notes along with me by reading them on the screen. I also have the scores available up on Music Notes in a simple version, soprano version, and even an alto version. So head on over there if you want to print off the sheet music. And my patrons get a copy for free. As always, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face down here in the corner. Here's the Team Recorded Patreon if you want to support the channel. And yeah, have a great day. Bye!